What's happening, boys and girls? Alright. So, I'm hoping today I get license plates up. Before I do that, I gotta finish the rest of the stairwell. I made a command decision. I make command decisions all the time. And we're gonna go ahead and just knock this side of the wall out and the end cap down there with more panels. And then when that's done, I'll just line up the license plates and we'll be done with this section. And then I can focus on getting all the crap out from up here, sand the floor down enough to get the markings off, and then I'm actually going to stain this floor and leave it OSB. Another command decision, because carpet and tile and all that crap costs too much right now, and I've seen some really great photos online of people that did just that. Okay, gave the floor a good smooth sanding, put some stain on it, which I bought some stain that's complementary to the wood, and then clear coat it. Okay, so let's set up time lapse and have some fun. If you've been paying attention, I created a platform that I can set on top of my stairs and use my ladder as the other end for support. Works perfect. I can get up here without having to stretch too much, and there's just no easier way unless you got more money to spend and buy something designed for this. So today, before I started the video, I went ahead and lined this base up with OSB to match the base of this, okay? I did the same thing on this side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and fill in this bottom row and then start building this up, okay? I'm probably just gonna do one layer here for now because I need the ladder to stay here, but at least I'll get my first strip in place as my guide to match up here. And then we'll come on this side and then we'll build the entire thing up. And I got enough material to go ahead and cover up this piece of green. So what I want to do now is, because every time I come up here I have a different thought, I do want the wood to carry itself over to the edge, and then we'll put a nice trim just like this one here on the corner, all right? And that'll case that in real nice. But I want the idea is you can feel like you're in a cattle chute, right? Or something. But anyhow, that's all going to be done. And then from here down, we'll all look like this. And then we'll start putting the license plates up. And before we put those up, I'll clean the floor up here. We'll lay them out, kind of organize the colors a little bit, and then and start going to town on them. And I'll put them up in such a way that, as I start to get the other states that I don't have, I can just peel one down and put one up, and then we'll be good. All right, so let's time lapse this and get going. Hope you have fun. Okay, lesson number, call it what you may. For the most part, every one of these things are loaded in the box. Okay? Stacked in this color sequence. And what I didn't do before when I started tearing things apart, I tried to sort them out, but I didn't sort them out in the sequence they came out of the box. So that's what I'm doing, is I'm laying these boards up. Actually, see, the black one should be first. All right, and then I'm just gonna set these, can you see that? I don't even know if you can see that, hang on. Yeah, there you go. Get my gut out of the way.
Right, so just undo your stacks and white colors with white colors. Technically there's two different shades here. It's hard to see when you're looking at it up close unless the lighting is right. And then this one got a silver gray tinge to it. Alright, nice to have natural light here. So we'll finish get these bad boys sorted. Nice gray tones. Alright. I'll tell you what, the gray really sets it off, you know what I'm saying?
I kind of feel like I'm in a state of ketosis. I wonder what my ketones are. Where's that edge? Here we go. That door you're looking at, by the way, I'm going to be using like a Mid-Wax gel stain for that door. And it's going to look nice. Everything complements everything in here, okay? That's the intent. I undercalculated again. Once again, I ended up with extra white ones or tan or whatever. What I didn't figure in my calculation was the 3 extra rows down here and the 2 extra rows I needed down here. So that ate up a box. And then I have a few warped boards that are going like this that I can't lay on here. I have a couple of gaps that I can't do nothing about, so like that wall, we'll paint in between with a fine brush. So looks like I gotta go get another couple boxes to finish up this corner. Almost wonder if I should do 3 just to be safe, but. All right, so I'm gonna pause the camera, get some lunch, and we'll come back and restart everything. But this looks so much better on this side and this side now. You know what I mean? Looking like a cattle chute and whatnot. So, this wall is done. It's cased in. I'll show you an angle from the other side in a minute. But before I pull and relocate the my platform, I'm going to go and hit these high areas that have some of the color chipped away. And I just got a complimentary wood stain. All right, I don't know if you can see that. Anyhow, it's just I just picked it generically. And I'm just going to go through real fast. I'm just going to go through and I'm going to, you know, touch up any bare wood. It smells delicious. There's the color. Okay, so that works for me. Put this in the garbage. In the garbage. Got my handy dandy 1 inch. And I'm just going to go through and
Take your little bare spot. Blend it in. And you'll never know it was there. Now, this brush I was able to get into the crevice here, and that really darkened that up, so I got a couple of spots like that I can do. I can get off of this intermediate step. Nice. It looks mother beautiful, my friend. That dark stain really makes a difference here. Darken that background right up. Nice. Looks good, my man. Yeah.
What happens when you put a warped board up right here? Nice gap. Now, I'll have something hanging here. Hopefully I won't see it too bad, but here's an example of where you need some touch up right there. You see it's white. That's going to darken it up and then feather in the edge. And that's how we hide that. Okay. I think this is enough for a day. It's beautiful outside. I got to get some yard work done. Pull some bushes that didn't survive. Do a little raking. Collecting up some rocks. So I'm basically darkening the shadows. This works great, man, this stain. Okay, folks. Let me turn the camera around so you can get a little view of everything from a different angle. I'm wore out, man. I'm losing weight, though. Okay, folks. That's it. Time for some brew. Okay.